DSWD admitted that there was an increase of their budget of around 2 billion for 2023. Would that be correct?
Mr. Chair, the 2023 budget of
Ang tanong ko lang po is, tama po ba yung sinabi ko?
that is correct.
Yes.
Compared to NEP versus the GAA of 2023.
The point being, na kinakalkal ni Chairman Paduano is that nag-increase yung budget ng DSWD, bakit nag-decrease yung 4-piece? Yes, yun ang una niyang tanong eh. Tumaas na nga po yung inyong budget for that year, pero bumaba yung budget for 4-piece. So yun po ang tinatanong niya. The other reason is, I would like to pursue is that nag-increase yung budget niyo by 2 billion. Saan kaya ang programa ng DSWD na punta itong mga ito? Could you please tell me kung sa program ng DSWD for 2022 budget ay may mayroon kayong bagong programa na idinagdag sa 2023 budget para doon pupunta yung sobra o yung increase ng inyong budget?
Yeah, Mr. Chair, as far as 2023 budget is concerned vis-a-vis 2022, there is no specific new PEP that was created by the DSWD. Mr.
Yes.
Chair.
With your indulgence. So, walang nadagdag na bagong programa. Ngayon, ang susunod na tatanungin ng aming chairman is, alin po yung mga programa ninyo na nasa budget o na nadagdagan ng budget? Kasi nadagdagan kayo ng budget. Eh. Siyempre, may mga programa kayo na nadagdagan ng budget except doon sa 4-piece kasi bawas sila eh. Yung nabawas, tanungin ko po kayo, saan kaya napunta?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, as far as the GAA for 2023, there are specific PEPs that increased on the GAA vis-a-vis the NEP or the National Expenditure Program. I'd like to mention the top four. The first one is the protective services for individuals and families in especially difficult circumstances, which had an increase of 16.9 billion GAA versus NEP. Next is the Sustainable Livelihood Program, which had an increase of 2 billion from 4.4 billion to 6.4 billion NEP vis-a-vis GAA. Number 3, Supplementary Feeding Program, which had an increase of 1.5 billion. And the fourth one, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, is the Kalahi Seeds Kapangyarihan at Kaunlaran sa Barangay, Kalahi Seeds KKB, which had an increase of 1.5 billion based on the GAA, Mr. Chair.
So, ang ibig nyo pong sabihin, sinasabi nyo po sa amin, na yung increase na 2 billion at saka yung natapyas doon sa 4-piece ay dito napunta mainly sa 4 na programang ito. Would that be correct?
Mr. Chair, we're saying that the GAA versus the NEP had increases and decreases, and we only operate based on the approved GAA, Mr. Chair.
I know. Kasi kami ang nag-aaral nga ng budget nyo rito eh. Ang tanong ko lang is, would it be correct na yung dagdag na 2 billion sa budget niyo for 2023 at yung natapyas na 13 billion doon sa 4-piece program, kung tatanungin ko po kayo, saan po kaya napunta yun?
Mr. Chair, 2 points. The first one is that is true. There's an increase in the budget, NEP versus GAA of 2 billion. But last point, Mr. Chair, is that we only defend, and therefore whatever is given to us, we have no control over the changes, Mr. Chair. We just defend our budget proposal.
Nag-offer ka na kaagad ng excuse eh. Ang tanong ko lang po is, simpleng-simple. May increase kayo na 2 billion sa budget ninyo, natapyasan ng 13 billion yung siyempre, yung 4-piece program ninyo, siyempre, ang susunod na tanong din saan napunta itong pondong ito? Di ba? And you should be able to answer that.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Mr. Chairman?
Go ahead.
Yes, Mr. Chair, if I may. We can only answer what was increased and decreased. We cannot assume whether something has been taken from one program to another. We cannot assume that. We only know what was increased and decreased, and we can only honor the intent of the honorable legislators on the GAA that they approved for us.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I proceed?
Congressman Ako.
Yes. DBM, hindi po ba pag tinapesan ninyo yung budget o programa ng budget ng DSWD, doon din sa DSWD dapat mapunta? Yes
Mr.
or no?
Hindi po necessarily kung ikukumpara natin ang NEP at saka GAA because nagkakaroon po ng pagkakataon na yung karagdagan na pondo na napupunta pag lumabas na yung GAA kumpara sa NEP ay nagiging kaukulan na increase naman ng ibang ahensya. So hindi rin po natin maia-account ng as to one, Your Honor.
So ang sinasabi nyo po sa amin, Madam DBM, is that pag natapisan ng 13 billion yung 4-piece program ng DSWD, the 13 billion can be allocated to other agencies of government. Is that what you're trying to tell us?
That is correct, Your Honor, if you're comparing the NEP to the GAA version.
Yes.
Sa total basis, but sinasabi po natin it's a zero-sum game. The bottom line is the levels of the total budget remains the same, but it goes from it can go from one program to another. It can go from one agency to another.
Yes. That can be seen dun sa final na version ng GAA. Kung anong agency ang nabawasan at anong agency ng gobyerno ang nadagdagan. In spite of the fact na nag-increase na nila yung budget nila.
Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Chairman Ako.